Let's talk about proposal for settlement. It's a tool that can be used to push the defendant, the other side, to settle early. Now, there's drawbacks and there's pluses to this proposal for settlement. Both sides can file one. I'll explain. The first thing that has to happen, you gotta wait 91 days after you serve the paperwork to the at-fault party, to the defendant, before you could even do this proposal for settlement. Proposal for settlement is that you're asking for a settlement. It's in the title, proposal for settlement. Now, let's use an example. If you ask for $50,000 as a plaintiff, you have to get a settlement 25% higher, so a verdict of $75,000. So if you ask for 50 and you get a verdict of $75,001, the other side, the at-fault party, has to pay all the attorney's costs and fees. The moment you file a proposal for settlement, there's a strict 30 days. If the other side doesn't pay you the money that you requested in the proposal for settlement in those 30 days, the attorney can start clocking every single hour from that 30 days. And if you get 25% of a verdict higher than what you asked, you get all your attorney fees and costs back. Now, the double-edged sword is that the defendant can do the same thing. Now the defendant can do one against you, the plaintiff. And if we don't get a verdict 75% or higher, because they're going to lowball many times the proposal for settlement, and then we have to pay their attorney fees and cost. So it puts pressure on both sides. It depends on how comfortable you feel with the case. But it's a very strong tool to push the case along when nothing's happening. Many times this goes back and forth as well, and a 30-day lapse can happen if nobody covers. And then it all depends on what happens at time of settlement, whether you're covering costs or not. It doesn't necessarily have to go to trial, but those percentages still apply. If you have any questions on this, of course, call the office, 813-421-3411 or 833-4-BAD-DAY.